let's look at CVS. Same thing, right? Same thing. We lost money on CVS during the earnings, right? But CVS, look, what is CVS doing on the weekly? You see what I'm saying? It's at support and it's trying to do something. Let's go to monthly. Let's go to 2 weeks. Look at the 2 weeks. 2 weeks is even better. Okay, look, there's a double bottom here. This is where long-term swings matter or leaps, right? Look at where the double bottom is. This is bottom number one. This is bottom number two. This was back in 2019, right? This bottom here on CVS was back in 2019, right here. Right? It found the same type of bottom right here. 2020. This was during COVID. So CVS is at its COVID level. God damn it. Do you understand? CVS is at its COVID level. Did I say that clear with enough conviction? CVS is at its COVID level with a bullish engulfing bar at support. Do y'all hear? Do you hear? Like, do you see? Does it make sense? Or am I tripping?
No, I can see it. Would you say that's a long play? Would you give it, a month, or is
Nah,
that like
because
an
okay,
annual play?
if we look and this is a 2 week chart, right? So if every bar is taking every bar 2 weeks to form, we gotta give it some time, right? If you're looking at it from the two, okay, so this is what I do. So look here. So you can come here, COVID, March 16, 2020. It was at 51, right? Okay, ask yourself, how long did it take for it to pop? This is a very simple way to analyze it. Okay, let's say you catch it at 51. You go to the previous time, August 16, to let's say the top. Here was the top, right here. It took 1 year, right? It took January, not quite a year. I mean March, April, May, June. So like 8 months. So technically you should give yourself about this much time, right? Technically about this much time from here, you should give yourself about this much window. So this will determine your expiration.
I see you.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, totally. I got you.
Determines your expiration. Now, your expiration doesn't mean you got to hold it. If, let's say, tomorrow the market opens, you have a December expiration, the market opens and CVS does this right here. Man, fuck that expiration. You're out. You see what I'm saying? If this happens in June, you are out. But you only giving yourself the December just for protection. That's just insurance. That's just cushion. That's it. If it pops to, let's say, even here in 2 weeks to 80, 59, 59 to 8, and I'm out. I don't give a damn. I'm not trying to, at that point, I don't give a damn about the high. If I get in here and let's say my strike, I got a 60 strike, I got a 65 strike, and it makes its way to like 85 over and we in here, like June, like, yeah, like, right, let's say July 1st. Man, I'm out. It's done. I made money. So I want folks to understand that the expiration doesn't mean after you made money, you should hold on to it because you think you're gonna make more money. You might end up losing the money you made just because of being greedy and holding it for a longer period, right? So CVS, we got to put it on the list. CVS.